Hi, I just wanted to get on a video and talk about money for a minute. I know it's kind of that subject that makes everyone squirm. I know that it's like the number one concern people have most of the time when they're thinking about jumping into a challenge group. I kind of think that sometimes we overthink the money thing too much. At the end of the day, if you want something, you will figure out how to make it work. And it's not easy. Like, you have all these doubts that come into your mind of what you can spend it on or what you should be doing with it. But it's not about getting skinny, and it's not about putting yourself before your family or your kids. It's about getting healthy. It's about doing what's best for you and your body, which ultimately will be the best for your family. And have you ever known anyone that's sick? Like, if you talk to somebody in the hospital who has come close to, having a health scare, they will tell you the most important thing is their health. And you know what? It's really invaluable, because if you have your health, you can have everything. You can be with your family. You can work your job. You can travel and do so many things. But without your health, you don't have any of that. So take the time now to invest in yourself. Invest in your health. And if you really think I don't have the money for it, take a minute and step back and think what you're willing to sacrifice to make it work. Look at your food budget. Are you spending a lot of money on unhealthy food, on soda, on, going out to eat? You will be surprised if you break down your budget how much you're spending on those things that could be put towards your health. And as many of you know, with the challenge pack comes Shakeology. And Shakeology is a meal replacement. So are you going out for lunch every single day? That money that you're spending on your lunch money, your lunch budget, that could easily be accumulated and put towards Shakeology, which not only will give you your health and your fitness program and a nutrition guide, but it will replace and give you lunch every single day. So if you're struggling with the financial end of it, you need to know, one, why you're doing it, why it's worth it, and how you're going to make it work. Because I know without a shadow of a doubt, when there is a will, there is a way. So if you don't have money for it, it's not because you don't have money for it. It's because you haven't, what are you willing to sacrifice to get there? And guess what? We were at a time where we literally had people calling us every single day for loans, for money that we owed people from our business venture that had failed. And it wasn't too long after that I got a challenge pack. And at the time, I remember thinking, talking to my coach and thinking, we literally do not have money for this, every penny that we get, we're putting towards loans so we can have people stop calling us, but at the end of it, that was the most important time for me to do it and for me to commit to it, because I was taking all of our energy, everything that we had was worrying about and stressing about, money and finances. And to take that little money that we did have and to be able to, and I'll be honest, to do our first one, we had to save up. I talk about it in some other videos that I had to, I saved up my Christmas money, and then my first challenge pack was in February. So I saved my Christmas money knowing that I wanted to do this. We saved in January and we couldn't buy it till February. So you might not be able to go and buy this challenge pack tomorrow, but if you want to do it, you can find a way. And if you want, reach out. I worked with the Dave Ramsey program before. I'm a big advocate of it. I know that if you really want this, then reach out and I can help you look at your family budget. I can help you find where, you may have holes that we can, take that money and relocate it so we can make this work for you.